guys, welcome back to Ron's Rides, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where today the limited edition Kia Stinger GTS has broken cover at the New York International Auto Show 2019. Now, since its debut nearly 2 years ago, the Kia Stinger has quickly become a crowd favorite, and at the New York International Auto Show, Kia Motors America gave driving peers yet another compelling reason to check out Kia's highest performing sports sedan. So here it is, the first driving footage of the Kia Stinger GTS. Limited to just 800 units, the special edition Stinger GTS punches up on its road prowess with a newly developed dynamic all-wheel drive system. It's called DAWD. That inspires more spirited driving. With sport-inspired styling elements including genuine carbon fiber parts and a splashy new color that demands even more attention, the limited edition GTS is one of the automotive enthusiasts will be lining up to drive. Now, during its short time on the market, the Stinger has established itself as a true competitor in the sports sedan segment with performance figures strong enough to embarrass its German rivals. Along the way, it has redefined the Kia brand and customer perception. But with all praise and accolades the Stinger has received, Head of Research and Development strive for more. The result is a new version of the Stinger's all-wheel drive system with rear-wheel drive DNA dubbed DAWD. The system has been tweaked to close the gap in the behavior between the all-wheel drive equipped and rear-wheel drive equipped Stinger GT. Mechanical limited slip rear differential is added to the DAWD system, which is designed to enhance the traction and distribute power more evenly between the rear wheels when slip is detected. Drive mode select amplifies rear bias dynamics. Comfort mode sends 60% of the power to the rear for feeling of stability. Sport mode sends 80% of the power to the rear for more spirited driving. And drift mode sends up to 100% of the power to the rear wheels and holds gears without upshifting. Now you have new control logic, that's slip control and counter steer detection. You have transmission shift pattern and stability control. Available either D all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive, the Stinger GTS maintains the Stinger GTS potent powertrain underneath the hood. Now, aside from what lies beneath, the GTS shows it's not your average Stinger, thanks to the number of exterior and interior enhancements tailored to make it look ready for time on the track or carving hairpin turns. Now, the exterior enhancements include exclusive Federation Premium Orange paint color, genuine carbon fiber parts that outline the signature tiger nose grille, side mirror caps, and side vents, GTS rear emblem, and your center Stinger emblem that replaces the Kia logo on the trunk lid for a more custom appearance. And I've been waiting for them to do that. Inside the Stinger GTS adds more premium materials benefiting of a true driver's car. Stuff like the steering wheel and center console stitched with Alcantara and the headliner blanketed in a premium suede-like commode. Value continues to be the pillar for the Stinger GTS with lots of tech, creature comforts, and driver assistance systems. As part of the GTS treatment, the limited edition fastback includes a sunroof, a 720-watt Harman Kardon premium sound system with quantum logic and clarify, signal-enhancing technology. You have the wireless charger for compatible smartphones as well. Now, keeping it competitive, the Stinger GTS hits the sweet spot in terms of pricing. With a start of production plan for this spring, the limited edition GTS is expected to have an MSRP starting around $44,000 for the rear-wheel drive and around $46,500 for the D all-wheel drive. So what do you guys think about the new Kia Stinger GTS? After seeing the video of it here, the pictures of it here, hearing about the specs and the price, what do you guys think? I mean, it's very competitive at its price range. It gives you a nice Federation Premium Orange paint. You get carbon fiber parts. You get that Stinger emblem that replaces the Kia logo, which a lot of people wanted to do anyways. You get the steering wheel done in Alcantara. You get the new DAWD, D all-wheel drive system. I mean, this sounds really cool. What do you guys think though? I want to know. It just broke ground here at the New York International Auto Show, and I want to know what is it going to take for you guys to jump in one of these Stingers? Because I know that not everybody is a believer, but I think Kia is coming around and it's changing a lot of people's minds. But let me know in the comments below, would you still pass on the Kia Stinger, or is this going to be something that maybe kind of sells you a little bit? You know, Kia adding more premium packages to it and stuff like the driving experience and a good price point with a banging warranty. Well, let me know down there below. Definitely like the video if this is your first time seeing the Kia Stinger GTS. Helps to get up in the rankings so other people can see and hear about it and learn something from the video. Also, subscribe for more Ron's Rise videos, for more automotive videos, news, and everything else under the sun. Click that notification bell so you can see when the new Ron's Rise videos come out, get them right to your inbox. And definitely check down below. We do have some Patreon links. We do have the one-time donation for PayPal. Check the links in the description. I do have my social media there too. If you guys want to catch up with me there, you can do that as well. But thank you so much, guys. Hopefully I see you down in the comments below. And you guys be blessed. Have a great day. And we'll see you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.